Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and signing in. First, make sure your computer meets basic specs and has a stable internet connection. Next, install the Teams app from the store or the installer and open it. Once launched, sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. Grant camera and microphone permissions when prompted. If you prefer, you can use the web app. This gets you into the app and ready to set up teams, channels, and notifications. Once signed in, create or join a team to organize work. Use a code or invitation to join fast. Then set up channels for topics or projects so conversations stay focused. For meetings, open Calendar and create a new meeting, add attendees, a clear agenda, and required documents. Make sure to configure devices under Settings. Pick the right microphone, speakers, and camera and test them before joining. Also learn screen sharing controls so you can present with confidence during calls. Finish by learning how to manage chats, files, and settings so you stay efficient. Use chat for direct messages, pin important conversations, and move persistent topics into a channel. Share files through the Files tab or OneDrive so teammates can co-edit in real time and monitor versions to avoid conflicts. Finally, tweak notifications and privacy to reduce distractions. If performance lags, clear the team's cache or restart the app. That single troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.